Hi sellers, welcome to Sellers' YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see about this e-learning for STCW courses is mandatory or not, even if the institutes are open. So guys, I am getting lots of queries about this in my YouTube and in my WhatsApp also. So I am going to clarify about this e-learning is mandatory or not, even if institute is open. Let's go into the video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. So guys, DG released one circular on 1st April regarding this e-learning. In that circular itself, they clearly mentioned this e-learning is compulsory. This DG made this e-learning not because of online classes. This is compulsory for future also. Even if institutes are open, we have to do this e-learning first and need to do these courses. But after completing your e-learning only, you can get your certificate from the institute. And some guys are also thinking about this online courses is only e-learning. Not like that. We have to complete our e-learning and e-learning assessment, and after that we have to go to institute, we have to do the courses, and we have to pass the exit exam in institute. After that only DG will issue our certificate. So guys, this e-learning is compulsory even you do courses in online also and you do courses in institute also. This is compulsory, so you have to do e-learning, and those e-learning have 180 days validity, so you can do anytime your e-learning and you can do your courses within that 180 days. I already made a video about e-learning and exit exam. Those links are in description. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.